Hey people, so this is my first unboxing video. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of the Belif kit. I got this during my birthday month and I thought that we should open it together. So I was very excited to get this because, as you know, I love kits and I had been wanting to try the Belif kit. And okay, let's open it together. And okay, so this is the kit. Let's see what all is there. This is the creamy cleansing foam moist. Then you have the herbal extract toner, the essence. This is the aqua bomb. I think got the kit for this. I really wanted to try this. And this is the moisturizing eye balm. So I can't wait to try these products. Now Belif is an expensive brand, so if you don't want to commit to full sizes yet, you can try this travel kit which has all these minis, and I think it retails for about $14.99 on Nykaa, so you can get it from there. Thank you for watching.